Drones and fighters. Combat drones and fighter and attack aircraft. Don't forget to press the bell to subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, press like. Thank you very much. Sukhoi Su-70 Okhotnik. The Russian hunter. The Sukhoi Su-70 Okhotnik, whose name means hunter, is a combat drone that belongs to the development of the Russian 6th generation fighter program, but it is neither a fighter nor a bomber. It is simply a UCAV, a drone. It is based on the MiG-SCAT, but is larger, faster and with greater load capacity. Development began in 2011 as a part of the Russian 6th generation program. Based on the information acquired in the development of the MiG-SCAT and to integrate into its development with the Su-57. On August 3, 2019, the Su-70 made its first flight, about 20 minutes at 600 meters altitude. On September 27, 2019, a 30-minute experimental flight was carried out in which the UCAV autonomously extended the radar and the ability to acquire targets of the Su-57. Design. The design of the Sukhoi Su-70 is based on the design of the MiG-SCAT. It is a 20-meter wide and 15-meter long wingling design. It has stealthy design and radar wave-absorbing materials that make it silent, although his absence of helm does not make it very maneuverable. It weighs about 20 tons and has internal warehouses to transport 2,000 kilos of pumps. Engine. The Su-70 carries a Saturn AL-31F engine that gives a thrust of 28,000 pounds/foot dry and 33,000 pounds/foot with afterburner. It is the engine carried by the latest Russian fighters such as the Su-35, and including the prototype of the Su-57, not the ultimate engine. This engine is capable of taking the Su-70 to fly at 1,000 km, h for a distance of 6,000 km. Avionics. It is very advanced from this point of view. It has the avionics of the 5th generation Russian fighter, the Su-57. It can be integrated with said aircraft to extend its detection range and communicate with it. Missions. The mission of this drone can be to function as a large combat drone, on ground attack missions and probably air-to-air as well. You can fly depending on a Su-57, extending your recognition capabilities and offering you the information. So it has this duality of autonomous drone, and companion of the Su-57. Thanks to the Ministry of Defense of Russia for these images. Drones and fighters. Combat drones and fighter aircraft and attack. Thank you very for watching the video.